everyone, my name is Goldberg. Welcome back to my channel. I haven't posted anything on YouTube for the past couple of months just because I've been extremely busy. You know, when you have a full-time job and when you have a life out of YouTube, it's just so difficult to find some time and motivation, you know, especially when you are a new YouTuber, to find the time and motivation and the effort just to make a video, to post it. I wish I could post a lot more often on YouTube because I would love to grow my channel. But honestly, you know, working Monday to Friday, and it's just all the other things as well that you need to do in life. It's just sometimes it's really hard to find the good timing that, you know, you want to put for a video on YouTube. But anyway, finally I found some time to make this video that I wanted to do it for the last few weeks, and I'm actually so excited for it because it's one of my favorite videos that I've made because I really like this product, and I think it's definitely worth the price. So what I'm going to talk about today is about Vocosi shoes. So I'm not sure if you've heard of them before. Basically, they are really good designer dupes. Well, like, you know, I started my channel because I wanted to post a lot of unboxing of luxury item and designer brands, which I already have a lot of videos on my channel. But actually sometimes you know, I don't really have any kind of like replica or any dupes that much, but sometimes, you know, you can't keep buying the original one all the time. Of course I do have the original designer shoes and bags, but sometimes, you know, you want to change. You just, you know, you want to change. You maybe like, you don't want to spend 700 pounds, 600 pounds on just one pair of shoe, but you really want to have something similar to it, or you want to have the dupe of it. I mean, there is nothing wrong with that. I know some people will argue, but I'm not going to go through that topic in this video because I really like these shoes, and I think if you're looking for a really good quality designer dupe shoe, this is perfect. So it's called Vocosi, I think so, I'm not sure how to pronounce it. So it's called Vocosi shoes. So I have two pairs here to show you. The first one, which I'm so excited to show you, is these ones, which I've been wearing them for a few days as well right now, which you're gonna see my photos as well. I've worn them a few times and they look perfect. So this is the kind of like Valentino stud dupe shoes. So as you can see, it's from distance, it looks quite similar to the actual Valentino stud shoes. They are in nude, like basically they feel like the patent leather, so they're nude. They have the studs are just like there, they're really good quality, they're not coming off. Here instead of Valentino you have it as Vocosi. So as I said that I wore them, so as you can see I wore them already a couple of times, and they are very comfortable. So they are 10 centimeter, same as the other same as the original Valentino stud shoes. So 10 centimeter, they are true to size. I'm a size 5, 38, and these fit me so well. Honestly, they look amazing. And guess what? The price right now is only £43. Normally they're around £80, but they're on sale at the moment. £43, which is a bargain. Like, you are gonna wear these beautiful pair of high heels. You know, it comes strapped around. You're wearing these beautiful high heels. As you can see, they look amazing. No one can tell that you're wearing dupe. If you want to go on a night out, you're worried that if you wear a 700-pound pair of shoe, you know, you're on a night out, you're gonna get drunk, you're gonna, I don't know, anything might happen. Someone might just ruin your shoes. You don't want to ruin your really expensive 700-pound shoes. So you can just have one of these, £43, and you don't have to worry that much. If something happens to them, you can just walk for like a couple of hours with them. You don't have to worry about anything happening to them. Of course, still, like, you know, you have to protect them, but you're not gonna like get really annoyed if they damage. So I really like them. They're my favorite one. Honestly, I have put the link below in the comments section. You can see the link to this beautiful pair of heels. They're called Apricot. I think the style is called Apricot, but basically it's the Valentino style dupe. And yeah, very comfortable. Also, I do have my own discount code as well, which is Goldberg10. I've put it in my comments as well, so you're gonna get an extra 10% discount on the £43 if you use my code, which is gonna make this shoe less than £40. Just honestly, it's summer. Everybody needs a pair of really, really beautiful nude heels, and they're comfortable. What are you waiting for? So the next one, we get to this one. If you're not really into, if you want just a really beautiful sandal for this summer that is comfortable and is stylish and you can walk for hours with it, it looks beautiful and also it's cheap, go for these. So these are actually really beautiful, because what is like, it goes, this bit goes behind your what is it called, it goes behind your foot anyway. It goes behind your foot. This goes around your ankle, whatever. And yeah, so these are obviously, this one is more for like a date night or a night out, or kind of more a little bit like formal. Of course, it's like a pointy shoe, but this one is more of a summery shoe, like just going out for like shopping, going to the beach. Like, it's, of course you can wear it wherever, but for me, preference, if I want to go for a dinner or a restaurant or something, I wear these. If I want to go just for a walk, just for a daytime, like, you know, a brunch or something, I will wear this one. Very comfortable. I wore this for 3 hours today. I walk on the beach. It has been so hot today and I've been wearing them and they are amazing. They just, I can't believe how comfortable these sandals are. I definitely recommend them. Like, honestly, I am a massive fan of designer shoes and I do have a lot of them, but sometimes I feel like, you know, I don't have to worry if I'm just going for a beach, if I'm going just for a walk, just for a simple place, just for a night out, just for a crazy thing I want to do. I don't want to be worried that my expensive shoe is getting ruined. It doesn't matter if you have, I have a video on my Christian Louboutin heels. It doesn't matter if you have a original Christian Louboutin or a replica one. The red sole wears off straight away when you walk on the tarmac. So if you plan to walk on the tarmac, why do you want to wear your expensive shoes? Keep them for a special occasion, and you can get your dupe one. Vocosi have Christian Louboutin dupes as well. They have a wide, basically a wide variety of range of shoes and sandals and boots and everything. So obviously I have put the link to these sandals below and to these shoes as well below in the comments. I have a code which is Goldberg10. Again, I've put it in the comments. And if you use my code, you're gonna get an extra 10% discount on all their shoes. So currently they have sale, but imagine you're gonna get 10% extra on the sale as well. Honestly, it's gonna make, this is as well the same price as this, £43 right now. Use my code and get an extra discount. Get this shoe for less than £40. How good is that? Literally, you're gonna have the most amazing pair of high heels this summer for less than £100. You can buy a couple of them and honestly, just go and treat yourself. Anyway, guys, I hope you've enjoyed my video, and I hope that you treat yourself to a pair of really beautiful pair of sandals or high heels, whichever you like. Thanks for watching. Bye.